Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is Monday, August 20th, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. Today we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading up by 5 points to 28.57 and a quarter per contract. All in all, just a minor little bid here for the markets. Markets were able to close positive on Friday, although it wasn't a big gain. Markets showed a little confidence going into the weekend, so we'll see what today brings. But in the meantime, we have the futures up on the S&P by 5 points, and we'll look at stocks in the news because that's where we're going to try to focus and make some money. First stock we're going to look at today is going to be PepsiCo. PEP is the ticker symbol there. Stock trading at 115.49, closed at 114.96. So Pepsi's up a little bit. They've made an acquisition today. Looks like they bought out SodaStream, I believe, for $144 a share. So SodaStream, if you own it, congratulations. If you don't own it, leave it alone. There's no sense to play it. SodaStream is being bought out by PepsiCo this morning, and we'll see if this sparks a little bit more M&A going on in the beverage business. So you never know. We'll see how that plays out. Next up, we want to take a look at Nike. NKE is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at $81.43, closed at $79.75. Looks like Nike was upgraded this morning, so that's catching a good little bid. This chart is still good on Nike, so I don't really see a problem here. I wouldn't do much ahead of it before the opening bell. Probably run into a little resistance when you get up to around the 82 level, but either way, stock is still strong. No real reason to fight that. Next up, we want to take a look at Estée Lauder. EL is the ticker symbol there. Stock is now trading at 141.20. It was lower earlier, down at 130, but it has recovered. They reported earnings this morning. This stock closed on Friday at 135.94. So Estée Lauder gaining some strength here ahead of the opening bell. I'm going to give it the upside bias to around 145. Ultimately, it can get up there. This stock, I've seen it move plenty of times. I'm very familiar with the characteristics in the tape, and this can actually get to the 144.50, 145 level. Let's take a look at STZ this morning, which is Stars. It looks like this is a good old Constellation Brands, trading down at $200.21, closed at $203.93. So again, this is a stock that's been pretty much in the news a lot lately. I just don't think there's much of a play here just yet, but sits tight. We could get an intraday play on this at some point today, so we'll keep an eye on it and we'll see where we go. Again, the 194 level looks very, very interesting this morning if it got down there. Right now, still sitting right around the $200 area. Next up, we want to take a look at good old Tesla, TSLA. This is getting hammered this morning. Tesla closed at $305.50, now trading at $288.55. So Tesla breaking down. All in all, though, when I look at this name, I got to think I have to look lower. There's really nothing else to do. At this stage, I would probably be looking more along the lines of 267. Gets down to around the 267 level. I actually like it down there. 260 is also a weekly chart. 200 period moving average. So again, there'll be more support there. But at this stage of the game, there's just so much news surrounding this stock each and every day. I think traders got to be a little bit on the guarded side here. So we'll see how that plays out. But Tesla coming under some pretty severe pressure this morning. Let's take a look at Lannett Corp, which is LCI. This stock is absolutely getting hammered today. Closed at $13.50. Now trading at $6.50. Honestly, I just don't think it's worth even picking up. Looks like they lost a distribution agreement, or an agreement will not be renewed. That is probably the catalyst for the big decline here. But again, just nothing I'm seeing that is telling me I need to get in front of this thing as far as levels are concerned. So if you own Lannett, again, see what it does today, but this is not a pretty picture, and I'm not looking to get in front of it personally. All right, let's shift gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold is catching a bid today. So gold is up $8.70 to $1,192.80 an ounce. So gold on the move here, catching a little bit of a bid. We do have U.S.-China talks going on. Problems between the United States and Turkey do not seem resolved. Gold is catching a bid. It's been very, very oversold. Right now you have the GLD trading at 112.33, closed at 112.13. So a little bit of an uptick there for gold, but spot gold right now is up about $8 Yep, just about $8.50 at the moment. All right, let's take a look here at crude oil. Crude oil today trading down 22 cents to $64.99 a barrel. If you take a look at the USO, which is a good ETF to track the movement in crude oil, this is trading right around 1366, closed at 1369. So we'll be keeping that on the radar as well. And again, we'll see how it all plays out. Mondays are a little bit on the lighter volume side, especially in the month of August. So just be aware of that. We may not be getting, action-packed Monday, but we do have some movers out here with Estee Lauder, also Tesla on the move today. So there's definitely some trade possibilities. Last week we had a great week out here. And again, if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. It's been a sensational 2018. We'd love to have you join us. Come trade right alongside of us. With that being said, everybody have a great trading session, and we will see you all on the charts.